Getting paid under contract as a dealer with Fulton V. Fulton V is a car rental marketplace. The website lists vehicles for rent located within a 100-mile radius of a few of the largest cities in Texas. So how can dealers get paid to list their vehicles? First, dealers will have their vehicles listed on the website fultonv.com. They'll be paid monthly under a contract term of their choice, which gives all dealers great flexibility in their terms, conditions, and income. Dealers will also love the fact that all contracts come with a monthly minimum payment amount. This opportunity is perfect for those looking to raise enough money to subtract earnings from their vehicle's current sales prices. It's also the best solution for all those vehicles sitting in inventory losing value over time. Fulton V will take care of that. By adding your vehicle to the website, you can sit back and worry less about losing value over time. While your vehicle is under the ownership of Fulton V, the company will even compensate you for over mileage. The process is simple. Just allow us to add your car to the website and go back to running your dealership, and Fulton V will deal with everything else: advertisements, insurance, vehicle tracking, renter screening, customer service, and much more. So what are the steps to get here? The first necessary step is to send information regarding all vehicles that you intend to list. You'll then be given a contract offer, and an agent will finalize your listing if you choose to accept. Allow me to break it down into further detail. Step number 1, decide on which vehicles you want to list, then submit your decision online at fultonv.com. There are 3 qualifications for all vehicles. 1, the vehicle must be classified as a luxury vehicle. 2, the MSRP of the vehicle must be over $40,000 with a few exceptions. And 3, the latest production year of the model's generation should be less than 10 years old. This will allow you to add vehicles that are more than 10 years old as long as they are the same design of a newer version of that model that has been extended through the decade. Step number 2, you'll be contacted by a representative with an offer once an insurance quote is obtained by Fulton V. The offer will include your monthly minimum payout and the security deposit required to have the vehicle listed. Step number 3, a representative will come out to inspect, photograph, and plate your vehicle while going over all the important details of your contract for the term of your choice. Step number 4, your vehicle is listed online and ready to start receiving reservations at fultonv.com. It's super easy. That's all there is to it. These vehicles never leave your lot unless they're being rented, so you can still show the vehicle to potential buyers at any time. This way, you'll also have a free advertisement on fultonv.com for your dealership and even have your vehicle listed on the sales page. You can cancel the contract anytime for a small fee. Contact Fulton V and get your vehicles listed now. Getting